online content. So I'm just live to demonstrate how to get online content. And the reason why I want to do this is because I noticed that some people want continuous content. For example, they want a radio station playing, and I want to demonstrate how you can get a radio station online. And you can also get, there are now digital content that you can find online, which is a very good source. I just want to show you how to do this. I'm hoping that by giving you all this, you'll be able to strengthen your Luo language. And by so doing, you'll be able to talk better. You'll be able to communicate with people better every day. So I'm just confirming that I'm online first of all. Maybe I'm by myself. So let me confirm that I'm online. I'm not talking to myself. Yeah, I think I'm online. So yes, I'm online. I think I'm live. I can't see the number of viewers, but that's fine. Online. What I want to do is I want to go online so that you just see how it's done. When you go online, what you'll do is you will just a moment. There are two places. The first place is called My Radio. Like this, it's called my-radio.co.ke. That's the first place, my-radio.co.ke. This is a very good place because it has all the Kenyan radio stations that have been put together. So when you click here, I hope you can be able to see. Let me just enlarge it. So you'll click on this and then you go to Luo. See, Luo has five stations, but for the problem with this one is sometimes the stations don't work. So you can click on that. Let me see if it brings the stations. Yes, now it gives you 5: Ramogi FM, KBC Mayenga FM, Radio Mikai, Manene Radio, and Ratego Radio. I've found that Ramogi FM works most of the time. Sometimes Mayenga works, sometimes it doesn't. I've not been able to work with Radio Mikai, Manene Radio, and Ratego Radio. So let me click on Ramogi Radio and let's see if it works. So of course, when you click on it, it will it will show you some, how you call it, some adverts. So those are adverts which are playing on the background. So it plays an advert for about, sorry. So after it has played an advert, then it starts playing the radio. Let me just change my settings so that you can hear it. This is a very good resource because you can time yourself so that the time when you have news, you're able to just listen. So I'll just pause so that I'll just pause. I'll just pause it so that they don't say that I am copyrighted. Now the other place is Radio Garden. There's something called Radio Garden. It's a very good resource. And the good thing about Radio Garden is that you can point wherever you are on Earth. You can just point at any part of the Earth and it will give you, the Radio Garden will show. So, for example, now it's pointing on Kitale because I was looking for radio stations in Kitale last. But you will click here. You see on the left, you can click here, and then you can move on to radio stations in Kenya, and then you can see nearby Kitale, Webuye cities, and then you go to Kisumu. Obviously, if you go to Kisumu, you'll be able to get a radio station in Kisumu. So let me click on Kisumu, and then it gives you Manene Radio, Urban Radio, and Nyaluo Radio, and Preach Gospel. So I just want to try some of this. Let me try Manene Radio and see whether it works. And this works. So you can hear it working very well. The reason it's working very well is because this one is a very good software. So you can always go to Nyaluo Radio. I don't know if that works. Let me just hear it. Yeah. And if you're someone who is looking to start speaking Luo, I would recommend that you visit these radio stations. And if you want radio stations in Tanzania, you can also just go to Tanzania. And in Tanzania, the stations next to Kenya, especially Isibania. Tanzania. Let me just see if I have anything I can talk about. Any place in Bunda FM. Let me see what they're saying. So places like Bunda, I don't know if they yeah, radio stations are along the lake. This is Lake Victoria right here. So radio stations are along the lake would most likely speak languages that you can understand. So that is Savior Radio. I'm looking for something around yeah, those ones are some of the stations that are around the lake, but I don't see any Luo station. There's I thought there was some stations around here, but I can't see them. They are not online. So that is one of the ways of ensuring that you're able to find a stream online. And those are two of the ways of ensuring that you get a stream online. I hope this really helps you. And please give comments to help those who want to just listen to Luo language continuously without looking at for videos. So especially radio stations that are online. If you have ideas, leave them on the comment section. And I know someone will really appreciate that they can now access radio. I hope that you learned something new today, and that's